Damn. Damn, boy.
Come on, we can do this. No!
Okay, well, I'm sorry. I love you. Do you still...
This isn't my house.
Oh my god.
What is this? What is this?
You were obese.
Even a real Barbie. You've got a real Barbie at home that Santa gave you a few weeks